Welcome everyone. Today I'm diving into a topic that's super close to my heart, how clean energy powers our daily lives. You might be surprised to know just how much renewable energy is already integrated into our everyday routine. Let's break it down. First off, think about your morning, that hot shower you take. Chances are if you have a solar water heater, you're starting the day with energy straight from the sun, and that's just the beginning. Now, fast forward to your commute. Electric bikes, scooters and cars are becoming more common, all powered by renewable energy. Imagine zipping to work or school knowing that you're not leaving a carbon footprint behind. At home, it's even cooler. Solar panels on rooftops are not just a trend, they're a powerful way to generate electricity. They charge your gadgets, run your appliances, and even heat your home. Clean energy is literally at your fingertips. Businesses are catching on too. Many companies are shifting to renewable energy to power their operations. This not only cuts down on their carbon emissions, but also reduces operating costs. Sustainable and smart, right? And let's not forget about wind and hydropower. Wind turbines and hydroelectric plants are major sources of clean energy that feed into our power grids. They keep our lights on, our refrigerators running, and our lives humming along smoothly. The benefits? They're huge. By integrating renewable energy into our lives, we're reducing pollution, conserving natural resources, and combating climate change. Plus, it's a step toward energy independence. So next time you flip a switch, charge your phone, or drive your electric car, remember, you're part of a bigger movement towards a cleaner, greener future. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more eco-friendly content. Let's make the world a better place, 1 watt at a time. Catch you later. Brought to you by Freebirds, General Contracting, LLC.